Understanding multiple employer welfare arrangements, MEWAs. In the complex landscape of employee benefits, multiple employer welfare arrangements, MEWAs, provide a collective approach to health and welfare benefits. These arrangements allow smaller employers to pool their resources and share risk, leading to improved benefits such as health insurance for their employees. This article will delve deeper into what MEWAs are, how they work, the benefits they offer, and some of the key considerations for employers thinking about participating in such arrangements. What is a MEWA? A multiple employer welfare arrangement, MEWA, sometimes referred to as a multiple employer trust, MET, is a program that allows a group of employers to collaborate in offering health and other welfare benefits to their employees. By combining their contributions into a self-funded benefits plan, these employers can provide robust employee benefits that might otherwise be unattainable for smaller organizations operating independently. The need for MEWAs has increased since the implementation of the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act, ACA, which created a more favorable environment for such arrangements and encouraged employers to offer competitive health benefits. Key features of MEWAs. 1. Pooling resources. Employers contribute based on their employee count, allowing them to harness economies of scale. This benefits smaller employers who might struggle to negotiate favorable insurance rates on their own. 2. Flexibility. Employers within a MEWA can influence plan structure and benefits. This collaborative effort gives them more leverage to negotiate better terms with insurance providers. 3. Risk sharing. By spreading risk across multiple employers, MEWAs mitigate the financial burden that one employer might face alone. If one business experiences a surge in claims, the pooled contributions help absorb that risk. 4. Regulatory oversight. MEWAs must comply with the Employee Retirement Income Security Act, ERISA, and, depending on state regulations, may also face additional local requirements. This oversight ensures that MEWAs maintain certain standards in how they operate and manage member funds. How MEWAs operate. Under ERISA, a MEWA is defined as an arrangement established primarily for the purpose of providing welfare benefits, which can include medical care, disability coverage, unemployment benefits, and other employer-sponsored health benefits. Here's how they generally work. Contribution mechanism. Employers contribute to the MEWA based on their workforce size and the anticipated costs of coverage, creating a shared pool of funds. Benefit distribution. The collected funds are then utilized to provide various welfare benefits to the employees of the participating employers. Plan management. A designated third party typically manages the MEWA, overseeing operations, financial health, compliance, and managing claims. Advantages of MEWAs. 1. Access to better benefits. Smaller employers may gain access to more comprehensive benefits packages at a reduced cost due to collective bargaining influence. 2. Cost efficiency. By sharing financial responsibilities, MEWAs can lower the overall costs associated with employee benefits. 3. Customization. Participating employers can work together to customize their benefit offerings to better align with the needs of their workforce. 4. Stability. Grouping together creates a more stable financial environment, helping to mitigate risks related to unexpected claims or budget shortfalls. Challenges and considerations. While MEWAs provide many benefits, there are also challenges and risks associated with participation. Financial risk. Some MEWAs have struggled with funding inadequacies, leading to difficulties in paying claims. Poor management, fraud, or high claims can deplete the pooled funds, so it's essential for employers to conduct due diligence before joining. Stop-loss insurance. To protect against potential financial losses, employers often purchase stop-loss insurance. This insurance helps cover unexpected high claims and can shield the MEWA from significant financial risk. Regulatory compliance. Besides ERISA, MEWAs may also be subject to varying state insurance regulations. Employers must be aware of legal requirements in their jurisdiction to ensure compliance. Potential for mismanagement. given the collective nature of MEWAs, they can fall prey to mismanagement or fraudulent activities, as seen in some historical cases. Proper governance and oversight are vital. Conclusion. A multiple employer welfare arrangement, MEWA, can be a beneficial tool for small to medium-sized employers seeking a competitive edge in employee benefits. By pooling resources, they can provide enhanced welfare benefits while managing the associated risks more effectively. However, participants must remain vigilant regarding potential financial challenges, compliance with regulations, and the overall management of the MEWA. For those considering this arrangement, thorough research and consideration of the implications are crucial for a successful partnership. For more information. For additional resources related to MEWAs, employers can visit the Department of Labor's ERISA page, https://www.dol.gov/general/topic/health-plans/MEWAs, which offers guidance, fact sheets, and oversight requirements necessary for navigating the complexities of multiple employer welfare arrangements.